Hey everyone, it's Jenny, and today I have got a Bzzagent unboxing, or Bzzagent, however you want to pronounce it. I always pronounce it Bzzagent because I like the way that sounds better, Bzzagent. Which Bzzagent is a platforming site. You can sign up, it's totally free. I'll leave the link down below. Now their site used to be different, used to be a whole lot more interactive per se, but now it's not so interactive. It's different than what it used to be. If you were on Bzzagent before, then you know the difference that it is now. You know what I'm saying? You sign up, you tell them what you like, and you may or may not qualify for buzz kits that they send out, which are completely free. So it's been a while since I had got into a Bzzagent. If I can remember, I'll try to link a Bzzagent unboxing up above or down below, because like I said, it's been a while. But I was super excited because this is from a skincare brand that I love, and it's in Sephora, and I think now in Ulta, if I read the card in here correctly. And that is Murad, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. That's how I've always pronounced it, Murad. They've got really good cleansers. They have got good exfoliators. They've got some good stuff. So I was super excited to try this, and it came in a cute little box. It almost reminds me of an influencer box, just a teeny tiny bit, but this is Bzzagent, totally different. They're both free to sign up for though. And so this is number one, a Retinol for all, and I love Retinol in my skincare. Retinol Tri-Active Technology, and I've got 3 items in here. I'm so excited. I haven't tried any of these, so I may end up doing a 5-minute review. I don't know if I'll do just like a review all in one, or if I can maybe do a 5-minute review on each one individually. Maybe. We'll see how it goes. See if I like it. May not even like it. We don't know. And yes, you can get this at Ulta. That's what it says here on the card. So, first off, we have got the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Okay, so this says fast-acting retinol serum quickly minimizes the look of lines and deep wrinkles, visibly firms even skin tone, and boosts radiance. That's what I'm talking about, for more vibrant, youthful-looking skin. Rapidly renews while being gentle enough for sensitive skin with Retinol Tri-Active Technology, a fast-acting retinoid, a time-release retinoid, and a retinoid booster. Hyaluronic acid hydrates to visibly plump and minimize dryness. That sounds magnifico. So it says in 2 weeks, 93% saw a reduction in lines and wrinkles, 98% noticed smoother skin, and 85% saw more radiant skin. In 2 weeks. All right, well, we're going to put her to the test. So the next item in the box is the Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I love me a good eye serum, get dry underneath these eyes. So this is a restorative retinol serum for under eyes and lids. Dramatically improves the look of lines, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. Rapidly renews while being gentle enough for sensitive skin with Retinol Tri-Active Technology, a fast-acting retinoid, a time-release retinol, and a retinol booster. Okay. Delivers 24 hours of hydration and instantly brightens. Okay. While nutrient-rich marine kelp complex helps deliver a visible lifting effect for revitalized, youthful-looking eyes. And you use this in the AM and the PM. Gonna have to put this to the test. Yes, I am. And then finally, the last item in here, and these were all full size, which is amazing. Not because sometimes with this stuff you may not get full sizes, you may get foil packets. You just don't know. So this is the Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. So this is the night cream which you use in the PM. Nourishing retinol cream. Retinol night cream visibly improves firmness and radiance, minimizes lines and deep wrinkles, even tones and hydrates. Rapidly renews while being gentle enough for nightly use with Retinol Tri-Active Technology, which we know is supposed to be good for the skin. So it says. And this luxurious texture with a lightweight finish melts into skin for a supple, vibrant complexion. 83% noticed firmer, more supple skin, and 80% saw increased radiance and glow. result after 4 weeks, which this will definitely last me a month, if not longer. So, super excited to try it out. Let me know if you've been in any Buzz campaigns recently, Buzz kits. Let me know. If you're not signed up with Bzzagent and you want to be, I'll leave the link down below. It's easy peasy to sign up, and you may get to try some free stuff. So with that, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would love to have you here. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.